On today's episode, we put hot steam in this Veloster. What is going on, guys? I'm Watch JRGO, and today we're here in Zack's garage over at his wrap shop, Snap Restyling, and we're gonna take this steamer. Once it warms up here, we're gonna try to get all this nasty tint that is like rose gold off the Veloster. It actually causes a lot of problems with visibility, and if you look in here on this door, it is all bubbled up and nasty, and it distorts your view out of the window. So we're gonna try to get the tint off here. I think it'll work pretty well. Steam is kind of one of the best ways to do this. The other way is to take like ammonia and a black trash bag and tape over the windows with the solution inside the trash bag, and then let it sit out in the sun, and the sun will kind of cook through it and bake the adhesive off. So we're gonna try to use steam. It should make it easy. And if we can get this window, and that window off, I think we'll have a ton of progress. While the steamer's warming up, let's change a bunch of other little things. First off, I have a brand new roof molding from Hyundai. Let's put that on right now. Okay, so we're gonna put a rain rail on this bad boy. This is the molding assembly roof right hand. 87241-2V000. So we've never done this before. We're gonna figure it out right now. So we're just gonna open this guy up, slide it out of the package here. Watch it be like incredibly easy. Oh, this is fancy. It's got nice rubber seals and clips and all this stuff. And it's bowed. You can see it has a big kicker right there, which should drop in right here. So you literally just snap this in?
Yep, that's it. Remember though, this is for the Hyundai, not the Hyundai.
Ah, the Hyundai. Wow, that was awesome. The car is complete parts-wise now. You happy, Gabe?
Yeah, you know, there are a few more things in life that I'd like to do, but I suppose right now I'm content.
Pretty close to,
Sure.
Pretty close to happy. And because it's a flip car, we're gonna put a wiper on it real quick. This one is completely toast and falling off the blade, and it actually wrecked the glass already. There's nothing I can do about that. But we're just gonna throw a cheap wiper on it to keep it from getting any worse. That was the easiest part of the build so far. There we go.
I love easy wiper swaps.
Dude, these are the best. The hook wipers are the best. I'm so tired of all the others with the complex hooks and all that stuff. All right, this low beam is dead, so we're gonna swap that guy out. It's so nice over here. It didn't look this nice when we finished the engine. Just imagine that it hasn't been detailed yet, but it has been sort of detailed, and we're coming back to the... Anyway, the detail is in progress. Let's get this H7 open. It looks like all the Velosters...
You should double check it.
Yeah, we should. We're gonna do that. If you wanna know the wiper sizes, the driver's side on every Veloster from 12 to 17 is a 26, passenger side's an 18, and the low beam should be an H7. So we will know in just a moment if that is true. When we shove this H7 in there, figure out what's up. So you twist this thing, I just don't know which way it goes. And like, everything is in the way. We decided to go ahead and pull the two tins that hold in these massive headlights because it's so much easier to access the bulbs. Oh yeah.
Man.
And you just pull one connector to take the whole assembly out. One big connector right there, headlight is up.
Amazing.
Yeah, it's actually really nice. So that is what I couldn't turn while I was in there because I couldn't get any force on it. But yep, that is toast. This is honestly a really nice headlight design. I am a fan. Obviously don't touch the glass on a halogen bulb. It has an alignment tab, look at that. This is probably one of the greatest headlights I've ever worked on. All of the maintenance on this car has been just thought out to the nines. I guess I could put the cap back on while it's out, huh?
Yeah.
Well, this video wasn't how to change headlight bulbs on your Veloster, but it kind of turned into it. Let's see. Did I get it? There's a bracket on the bottom it has to slide into. I think I missed. You kind of see the bracket. Yeah, I think I got it. Cool. We did find another tint all the way underneath the headlight with a bracket that was broke off. I think it may actually be supposed to hold the headlight. You're supposed to remove the bumper. I'm kind of glad it was broke on this one because these two hold it super solid, and that bottom one would have been a huge pain to take out. So your mileage may vary. You might have to pull the bumper. If you have to pull the bumper, I would just try really hard to twist off the back cap, turn the connector this direction, pull it back out, change the bulb. You can get it done probably without removing this, which will save you a bunch of time. Let's get on the tint. Step one, roll down the window a tiny bit. So, oop, wrong one. There we go. Why didn't you start on the corner?
Because
Actually,
I think in the grand scheme of things, it's not going to matter on this window.
oh, it's not even remotely hot enough. But
Hold on, watch.
and then just
I
fog the
do.
heat in. This is some very smelly adhesive.
It's not even coming off.
No, it's not. It like used to be tint and then it turned clear and bubbly.
So it was darker tint.
Was it? Hey! That's honestly the last time. Oh wow, it was pretty dark. Huh. Well, the last time I did tint removal, it probably took me like an entire week to do the back glass of the Camaro.
Well, now this you can just scrape with a razor blade.
All right, let's get to it. We just pulled the tint off. It doesn't smell that bad.
It's pretty bad.
I love the smell of the alcohol though, because we wrapped.
Alcohol is good.
Yeah, we just spent so long wrapping that
That steamer is terrible.
we soaked the window with alcohol, and now the adhesive is just falling off. You can see how fast I'm getting the adhesive off. It's just awesome.
Usually you want to try and use an ammonia-based glass cleaner,
Yeah.
which usually just eats the adhesive oil. So if you have good tint, you can usually get it off without even having adhesive left over.
This is so good.
Just to wipe it off.
I know, I do need to wipe my razor blade.
I do have you covered here.
Oh, to really clean it off? Steel wool is also the key. Fine steel wool, lots of people use
Quad zero?
Quad Zero. Is that what this is?
I think so.
Yeah.
Triple zero or quad?
And when you're doing your initial window cleaning, it's usually just Dawn dish soap, water, and a sprayer with stainless, with steel wool. We're only a couple minutes in, and this window is perfect again. I'm excited about that. Check it out. No distortion. Oh, some like liquid up in there.
Probably. There might be some adhesive, I don't know.
Well, let's roll it down. It's just alcohol and stuff. Man, this one is rocking and rolling. Look at that. No adhesive. This is kind of good tint for being trash. All right, let's get another big start
This
here.
is good trash tint right here.
Right. Well, I'm not disappointed in it because it's cleaning up easy. That's what it comes down to.
You honestly probably didn't even need the steamer
You think it's good?
for that. I bet it'll just rip right off.
It's coming out pretty well.
That one came off way better.
Oh yeah, it's at least a nicer quality tint even if it's junk.
It's probably just newer.
Look at
Oh
it.
no, it's old and...
Super, I think this was like the factory
I was gonna
tint.
say that was probably like
Yeah.
maybe-
Factory tint. Oh, like...
Like the dealership
I
did.
gotcha,
Yeah.
okay.
Driving this car was like looking through rose gold tinted glasses, so I guess it just made everything behind you look nice.
Looked pretty. The sunsets are pretty.
Alright, let's get the other one done. keep your razor blade far away from your defrost lines because you don't want to cut them. We're being very careful with the razor blade. There we go.
Such crappy tint.
That's bad. All right, I guess we better take this one off too.
Look how pink it is, though. Like,
Oh yeah. It's rose gold. I wasn't kidding.
That's crazy though.
funny.
This is rose
Makes
gold
the whole
tint.
car look so much better when you're taking it
Yeah.
off.
And bring it out this way.
Yeah. Ah! There it goes. Hold on. I can come back and meet you. There. Wait. And now it's a completely different car. No more tint anywhere. We did all the back glass. You can now see into the car. It's so much better. Zach, we did it.
Do you want me to send you an invoice or?
Yeah, just if you could email that invoice to null@null.com.
Oh.
Well, that is how you remove tint the easy way, much quicker than that tint remover from Walmart. That stuff takes, I mean, it took me a week with that Walmart tint remover to get the tint off my Camaro. And we did this in probably, I don't know, 30 minutes or something like that. We didn't spend a lot of time in here. So if you guys want to know how to remove tint or change headlights or change wiper blades, I'm sure everybody knows how to change wiper blades. And headlights are pretty obvious anyway. But that's what we did today. Thank you guys so much for watching, and please like, share, subscribe, do whatever you want to do, and I will talk to you next time. Goosey.